Costzon Changing Table, Diaper Storage Nursery by Costzon is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Package includes 1 by Changing Table. Costzon Changing Table keeps everything tidy for a clean look in the nursery. It provides a safe and convenient place to change and dress your baby. Sturdy frame in white is durable and built to last with elegant appearance. Safe operation, safety rails enclose all 4 sides of changing area. Besides, the safety belt is included for added security to your baby while you are changing the diaper alone without the assistance from others. Ample storage room. There are 3 pull-out storage baskets, and 1 removable hamper to meet your ample storage requirement. And you can remove the hamper if you'd like to put your diaper pail there instead. Includes vinyl waterproof changing pad with built-in safety strap. Wipe clean as needed. Suitable for baby weighing up to 30 pounds. Worry-free. Purchase the manufacturer at costs and stand behind the manufacturer's products with the manufacturer's satisfaction guarantee. The manufacturer not only offer qualified products with favorable price to the manufacturer's customers, but also great customer service.